Hey guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Darren.
And I'm Galina.
And today we are actually doing a bit of a staycation.
It's right, yeah. It is staycation at the Rove Hotel La Mer, actually, this time. So, there is a nice downtown view here, but we got actually the sea view room for your father, and let's go see what's happening inside.
Let's go! Let's follow Galina. She's the hotel general manager. Future prospects. It smells so good in here, doesn't it? Oops.
Here's a little walking area on that side. There is a restaurant. Luggage room.
Let's go to the restaurant side first. Yeah, so like a little coffee area. Coffee shop. The daily. Actually, to what we know is that they have daily restaurants in each row. Hello, how are you? Yeah, so I think it's like just basically all day style of dining. Very casual, as you can see. Quite big as well.
Or you want to see playing room first?
Let's check the playing room first and then we head off to the pool. Yeah. So yeah, we've stayed at actually 3 of the 4 rows.
No, there is more.
There's more?
There is more. There's room at the park, downtown. We didn't stay. Room financial, but I'm not sure. We're staying at 4.
Yeah.
This is the
4. This is the 4th one, okay. So this is the play areas that they have packed on. This is the second row that I've seen that has a little gaming center. I don't know if all of them have it, but yeah, it looks very nice. I mean, as we said before, casual and fun, free. Let's see what's over here. They should have a gym somewhere. Okay, that's for business purposes. Nothing, that's it? So let's go to the pool then. Another doors to go. Okay.
It's very nice.
Yeah. Very colorful as well, yeah? Different shapes and colors. What's the good thing that you like about the Rove hotels?
It's actually, well, this one I don't know if it's more or less. But I like that it's new, very modern, casual, but very sharp, you know?
Yeah.
Well, it's not like 5-star. I think maybe this one has 4. I need to check 4 3. I will let you know later. But it's like so cool. So much better of a lot of 4-star hot. Yeah?
Yeah, totally agree. I mean, and it's also on the cheap side as well.
Yeah.
In general hotel, yeah.
And the hotel is.
And then the beach, well, the sea, whatever you classify.
Some chill area.
Yep, and that's about it, to be honest.
This already covered his stuff. Yeah, so we're gonna go now to the pool.
Yeah. Let's go to the pool.
Yeah.
And also, the big upside about this place is that there is 20% discount on La Mer restaurants, which is very cool. So they have those connections and so on. Hello, hello.
Self-opening door. Yeah. Welcome to our room in the Rove La Mer.
Rove La Mer. So it's staycation time, yeah?
Yes, I is a back.
Perfect.
They have a white minimalistic bathroom. This was last night. Only this thing, yeah, so just, you know, only this. And we need to come inside because we need to get in the shower. In order to get in the shower, it's very small, yeah? So the clothes. And yeah, just regular. Well, they do have a rain shower.
Yeah. They have the top one and the spray.
Yeah.
So to say, I don't know what you call it.
The regular one.
Yeah. And then?
And then this is our room.
This is our room.
They did it all in twice in municipalities, or I think they did on the view. Nice bed. Good size.
I like this
style with wardrobe, I would say. Good TV, also good size.
Nice big one.
Actually can be done into bed if you wanted to, like, because this room's written for 2 adults and 1 child. And in the space, I would say. And here's a view.
I'm actually thinking. Okay, let me get back to that point. So that's the view, yes.
Yeah.
Thank you for opening.
We have a cool down, and here's like La Mer north or south or east or west, I don't know. It's basically on the corner of the La Mer, closer to the Mandarin. Yeah, now it's like 5 p.m. I see.
Yeah, it's slightly after 5.
So we're gonna go for a dip also.
I actually think that this couch, no, it can't extend. I thought it had like a foot in it.
This one is saying.
You can? Like if you lift it up?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And I like this, they have a small decor like this, mini signs or paintings. Even this one is like gradient, very simple but effective.
Yeah. I think if it never had these prints on the wall, it would have looked plain.
It's added some light, if I can say this way. Yeah?
Yeah guys, that's about it. We hope you enjoyed the video. Quick tour on La Mer Beach.